Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Gmail connector in Power Automate to send automated emails directly from your workflows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to the Power Automate dashboard where you can create and manage all your automated workflows. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on the Create option. This is where you can start building new flows and automations from scratch, or choose from existing templates. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger automations manually whenever you need them, which is perfect for on-demand email sending or testing your workflows before scheduling them. Next, you'll see a list of trigger options. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set this as your starting point. This means you'll be able to run the flow whenever you want with just a click, giving you full control over when emails are sent. After selecting this, click Create to proceed to the flow builder. Now click on the trigger you just created to configure it. This opens up the settings where you can customize how the flow starts and what information it collects before running. Click on Add an Input to define what data the flow should ask for when triggered. This is useful if you want to make your automation flexible and reusable with different content each time. From the input type options that appear, click Text. This creates a text field where you can enter custom information such as the email message you want to send. In the first field, input a name like email. This label helps you identify what this input is for when you're running the flow later. Then, in the second field, you can type "Please enter your message." This is the placeholder text that will guide you or anyone else using the flow to enter the correct information. Now click the plus icon to add a new action to your flow. In the search bar that appears, type Gmail and then click on Send Email. This is the Gmail connector action that will handle sending your email once the flow runs. If your Gmail account isn't already connected to Power Automate, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign in with your Gmail credentials to authorize the connection. This allows Power Automate to send emails on your behalf securely. Once connected, you'll see a To field appear. Here, input the receiver's email address. This is where the email will be sent whenever the flow is triggered. Next, click on Advanced Parameters to reveal additional email options. From the list that appears, click on Subject and Body. These fields let you customize the email content beyond just the recipient address. In the Subject field, input a subject line for your email. This could be something like notification, update, or whatever fits your use case. Now move to the Body field. Click the thunder icon, which represents dynamic content. From the list that appears, click Email. This inserts the message you entered earlier as the body of your email, making the flow dynamic and flexible. At this point, your automation is ready to save and run. You can test it by clicking the Test button or save it for later use. Whenever you manually trigger this flow, it will send an email using the inputs you provided. And that's it. You've just set up a Gmail connector in Power Automate to send automated emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.